So, this is the team IIT who is doing a lot as far as the equipments for COVID-19 tests are concerned, right? So, would like to know from you all, what are some of the products that you people are indigenously developing? What is the time frame that each of the product takes? What is the cost like, and how efficient is this going to make the entire COVID testing thing as far as Assam is concerned? Would like to know from you.
Yeah, so good morning. We received a request from the National Health Mission Assam on May 31st regarding the development of all kinds of kits for COVID-19 diagnostics. And the first step in this is, to prepare this VTM kits or the viral transport media kits. This is very important to collect the swabs. So when we are preparing the kits, we are also giving two types of swabs, one is the oral swab and the nasal swab. So these three have to be combined in a packet like this, and whenever a passenger or anyone comes from outside the state, that is what the procedure that is being followed by the MHA, that they collect the swabs, and the samples, and then it is stored in this, and it has to safely reach the laboratory, and whatever is the content of the swab, it should not get destroyed. So this is the first step, and we developed this kit. Within 7 days, the first lot was already delivered. Around 1,000 kits were delivered to the stores in Assam. The next step is to have two other kits. The second is the RN isolation kit, and we have then the RT-PCR. So all the three kits we are looking at delivering within a very short time. By the end of this month, probably we'll be able to deliver all the three kits to the state government as per their requirement. Coming about the costing you mentioned, what we realized was, the request came to IIT because the price that they were procuring is very high. So this is where the challenge was, how to give the best product at a very low cost or affordable cost. So that is where we started working, and the price we are giving right now is approximately 2/3 of the price that the state government is saving. So per kit, the saving is more than 50 rupees per kit, and they require close to 10,000 kits per day. So you can imagine the saving that the state will have. So this is where the challenge was, and we are happy that our team, together we all have worked, and we could overcome this challenge. So.
Would like to know from both of you about, what about the other equipments? This is one. So you people, the Guwahati IIT team, you all are developing three equipments as far as COVID tests are concerned. So this is one of them. Please explain to us about the other two equipments.
Right. Good morning to everybody. I'm Professor Siddhartha Ghosh from Bioscience Bioengineering Department. In addition to this, we are also working on RNA extraction kits. As Professor Iyer mentioned, this is the first step where from the swab you have to carry the virus to the lab. Then you have the RNA, and the RNA has to be amplified. So these second two steps we are doing. So RNA extraction kit we are also making, and the real-time PCR kit we are also making. So these are the kits that we need to do, and this will be indigenous. This is like a mission project. And one thing I would like to mention here, here the IIT faculty or the professors are not doing consultancy. This is actually our mission. Basically, we are just the ingredient cost is counted only, and that's how the company has came into the same platform with us on working that. So obviously the cost will be very low, and obviously this will be indigenous, and we are very thankful that we have two students who are here with us from the very beginning, and they are very expert students, so they are helping in making that.
So they are IIT Guwahati students.
They are the IIT Guwahati students, our own PhD students. They are working day and night on that.
So what is the team like, and what actually triggered people thought of coming up with gadgets like this?
So actually, I am Dr. Pankaj Chaudhary. I am working with RR Animal Healthcare. It's a Hyderabad-based company. So I am Assamese basically. So we are working in Hyderabad. So we are providing service to some other state actually. So we have tied up with IIT long back. It's a long it's been so long we have been doing some other works, but then Iyer sir got this project. He told me we can collaborate and we can come out with something so that in these crucial times we can help the government. So along with their collaboration and students and the whole project actually it started, and then somehow it clicked, and we have Yeah, that is how the product came back, and we are also like very much happy that we could do something for the state. Yeah.
So, would like to know from you, how did this entire thing start? Was it a proposal from the government side, from the Assam government side, or was it that the IIT Guwahati team themselves thought that they should come up with things like this? And are there any other equipments or gadgets that IIT Guwahati is working on?
So when we were working with RR Animal Healthcare for another device, portable device, that was for bacteria detection and for virus detection. So last year we already had done a technology transfer to them. So we were already in touch with them for various other diagnostic kits. And we also had submitted a project recently where we had proposed to develop affordable kits. That was the time when we received the letter from the state government. And we immediately took up in a war footing because they were really short of this product, and we could deliver this within 4 to 5 days. We could do this and get all the necessary clearances and everything. And another important thing is we also could validate this product from the GMC's lab itself. So they are very happy that what we were making is of the highest quality, and that is where the green signal came for production in a larger scale.
And these are all accredited with proper clearances, all the gadgets.
Yes, so everything has been cleared and with proper clearance and validation.
Any other Guwahati IITs?
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, this is one of the kits. It's called the VTM kits. We have 2 other kits that is specifically related to COVID. One is the RNA extraction kit and the RT-PCR kits. So these 2 also are very useful. And as the minister mentioned, if we can manufacture these kits in Assam, but even if there is a major lockdown, we won't be hindered and our labs will be working. So we can continue our testing and everything. So this is related to COVID. But other than that, we also have a lot of other, it's called the point of care testing devices. So we also have a lot of other devices which are in development stage or in advanced stage of getting transferred to companies.
All for COVID purpose?
These are also COVID, but other than COVID also. Okay, these may be cancer biomarkers or for virus detection, bacteria detection. So many other kits are there that we have already developed for various applications.
Thank you so much for speaking to Sentinel. Thank you and all the best for all your initiatives. And viewers, that was team IIT Guwahati who are doing a lot as far as testing kits are concerned to make Assam self-sufficient, self-reliant. Thank you so much. This is Oinitam with Pankaj Medhi reporting for the Sentinel from Guwahati.